What's going on, guys, and welcome back to a new video. For those of you that are new to the channel, my name is Joshua Daniel George and I am documenting my affiliate marketing journey here on this YouTube channel, and we are mainly using Clickbank to basically start this journey off. And in this video I want to show you how you can earn money with Clickbank as a beginner with absolutely no experience whatsoever by using this simple copy and paste method. Okay, guys, and welcome back to the video. So as I already mentioned in the introduction, I am going to show you a simple copy and paste method that will ensure that you get a lot of conversions with Clickbank. So quick disclaimer, I am also a beginner. I have literally started this journey on January 1st, 2020. It was a sort of New Year's resolution to learn a new skill, and I am doing all this in collaboration with Dijs and Dijs University. So they provided me with all of the knowledge and resources that I needed to basically get up and running. Okay, so as you can see by my daily snapshots, today it is early obviously, but we have not earned anything today, but over the last week or so we have been getting a lot of conversions. Now with that said, Colin's conversions are also mixed into this here, so no, I haven't earned $575 by myself. However, part of my conversions, I think my revenue for yesterday was 200, and the rest is from Colin's campaigns that he is running as well. Okay, so with that said, as I already mentioned, I am a beginner. So what I like to do is basically stand on the shoulders of giants, okay, and copy what other people are already doing and that I know that works, okay? So rather than trying to reinvent the wheel and try and figure it all out by myself, I model success. And a great way to do that on Clickbank is to look at the affiliate tools, okay? So I mentioned this in a previous video, but the products on Clickbank are all from third parties, okay? They are vendors that are offering their products on this platform, and they are hoping that affiliates will, get them sales basically. And then obviously the more money the affiliate earns, the more money the owner of the product earns as well. So to ensure that you basically, hit the ground running and get as many sales as possible, the vendor, so the owner of the product, basically provides you with the top converting email swipes, the top converting advertisements, the best converting images, and so on and so forth. Why? Because the vendor, so the owner of the product, they want you to win, okay? They want me to win, they want you to win, and everyone else that wants to promote their products, they want them to win, because the more they win, the more the owner wins as well, okay? So without rambling on too much, this is the Clickbank marketplace. For those of you that have not got an account, I have also got a video on that on my channel on basically how to create an account regardless of where you are and get your account approved right away. If in the off chance you do not get your account approved immediately, I also have a video on how you can appeal and basically reach out to Clickbank support to get your account approved, regardless of it getting disabled first, okay? So when you have your account, you go to the right top to affiliate marketplace, and that basically brings you to this massive library of products that you are, or you can possibly promote. On the left hand side, you can see that we've got a bunch of categories. That is because there are so many products on Clickbank nowadays that it wouldn't be overseeable if it was all on one page. So Clickbank have created a bunch of categories here, everything from arts and entertainment to self-help, sports and travel. And then within those categories, there's also subcategories or secondary categories, if you will, just to make sure that if you are looking for a specific product, you can find it very, very quickly. Okay, what you can also do is click on the search button here and then basically find specific products without going into the categories. So as you can see here, these are all the products that are available for photography. Okay, if you click on the magnifying glass without entering a product, you basically get all of the products in one search engine, and then you can sort by popularity, the average sale, the initial sale, the average percentage of sale, the average rebuild total, the average percentage of rebuild, and the gravity. For this, what I do is I search by gravity, and then basically you will get the top performing products first, okay? So the products that are basically getting sold the most by affiliates will be on top, okay? In terms of the gravity, it's basically a algorithm that calculates how many sales are made by individual affiliates in the last, I think it's 12 weeks. And then obviously, you know, the more sales that are made, the higher the gravity and the higher they will be on this list. So as you can see, it is the 29th of January at the time of recording this, and Leptotox is the best converting offer on Clickbank at the moment. And as you can see here, there's another link called the affiliate page, and these are the affiliate tools that I'm talking about, okay? So these are like images, copy, landing pages that other affiliates have used and gotten great results with. So the owner of the product has seen that, and has seen that, for example, John Smith has got a great landing page and it works really well. It's getting a lot of conversions. So what he then does is he takes John Smith's landing page and then offers it to the rest of the affiliates, because he knows that landing page works, and if it works for John, it'll work for all the others as well, and the owner of the product will get more conversions and the affiliates will also get more money. He gets more money, everybody wins, okay? So if you want to search for products with this affiliate page, obviously the products with the highest gravity already have that, but you can also go on the left hand side here, click on must have affiliate tools. Okay, and then you can basically see all of the products with tools, so with the landing pages, copy and images, you know, ready for you to use, okay? Another attribute I really like to use is the vendor spotlight, so I'll select that as well. And what the vendor spotlight allows you to do, if I just click on it here, is to see what the gravity is doing. Okay, so this makes sure that you aren't using a product that is basically cooling off. So as you can see here, you can see the gravity over the last 30 days, and as you can see, it's got a downwards trend, which means this product is already cooling down. It's on its way out. It's still a gravity of over, let's see, what is it? Over 290, so it's still a very, very hot product. But with that said, it has peaked a few days earlier. On, let's say, the 15th of January, this product was at its highest, and now it's basically slowly cooling down. But it's still, you know, very hot to promote, and you can still get a lot of bang for your buck if you do so. Okay, let me check another vendor spotlight. This is the Hauki Diabetes Remedy. Let me see what this is all about. And let's see. So as you can see here, the gravity is actually slowly increasing. Okay, it has dipped toward the end. So yesterday and today, it is slowly decreasing. But other than that, you know, it is sort of gaining popularity and gaining traction. So it's actually a good time to promote this product. Okay, so that was enough about the vendor spotlight. I just want to quickly go back to the affiliate tools and just show you, you know, what you can actually get in terms of, you know, assets that you can use for your Clickbank offers. So this is the Cinderella solution, and as you can see, you can also ask for a affiliate info pack. But as you can see at the top, you've got the Facebook ad kit, you've got email swipes, miscellaneous tools, banners, and I think your link's just your link. Yeah, it is. So, you know, you've got all the tools at your disposal to promote this product successfully, okay? So these are all the banners and images and assets that work and have gotten conversions in the past. All you need to do now is copy and paste this into your campaigns, okay? I'm not going to do a watch me build video today. I'm actually going to do one tomorrow, where we are going to set up one of these products that are very hot in terms of gravity, and I basically want to document the next like 10 days where I go into the ads and optimize all of the advertisements, etc. And we will get into all that tomorrow. I want to keep this video relatively short. I just wanted to quickly show you guys, you know, what is possible with Clickbank and how easy it can be if, you know, you basically use and model what works. So as you can see here, they've even got a Facebook quiz lander. All you need to do is click on it to start a 14-day free trial. Luckily, I already have I already have ClickFunnels, so I don't need the 14-day free trial. Okay, it's just sent me to add images. Let me just quickly see what's gone wrong there. Did I click on the wrong button? If not, I can just show you the ads. That's fine with me as well. Let's see. So step 2, click here to import your complete 7-question quiz landing page. Let me see where this link goes to. Open link in new tab. Drive. Okay, maybe something's gone wrong. Let's see what step 2 is. Okay, so this does take me to ClickFunnels. Let's see what happens. There we go. Okay, so there must be something wrong on the page, but step 2 basically takes you to the funnel. All you need to do then is add funnel, and because they have literally created the entire funnel for you, you do not need to do anything apart from get ClickFunnels if you haven't already done so. So as you can see here, the funnel is being processed, and then I will be able to use that funnel, and I literally don't need to do anything else. In terms of the ad images, I think this link will just take me to the same drive as before, which it does. So in terms of the ad images, again, the vendor, so the owner of the product, has basically chosen images that work best and has given them to us free of charge because he or she knows that if we get sales, they earn money. So as you can see here, they've used, actually quite smart, they've used like cartoons because obviously it's a product that could potentially get disabled by Facebook or disapproved. So they've used card pairing really works. They've used cartoons because if you use females or specific body parts, it might get disapproved. Okay, so that's very, very smart from whoever's created these. But again, all we need to do is save these images to our computer, upload them to Facebook, and let Facebook do the rest. Oh, they've even got copy, guys. Literally, all we need to do is copy and paste this into the Facebook Business Manager, and we are basically going to get conversions. Email swipes, again. Let's click on email swipe number 2, Adam Steer. Again, look, they've even given us the subject. All we need to do is add our own affiliate link into this and send this, and we basically almost guaranteed to get conversions. Okay, so let me, obviously this is just a Cinderella solution. Let me see if there's any other affiliate tools that I can quickly show you guys. And in the meantime, let's actually look at the ClickFunnels funnel. So it's complete. View the funnel. So as you can see, guys, a 7-question quiz funnel. All we need to do now, obviously because our link is not into this yet, all we need to do is when the quiz is complete, we put our link, so our hop link that we get from Clickbank, in the end of this quiz, and it will redirect to the video sales page or whatever sales page they've got of this product. And then if they get a sale, the vendor or the owner of the product knows that it's come from us. Okay, so in terms of, that was it in terms of the Cinderella solution. Let's have a look at, for example, numerologists. Okay, again, they've got an affiliate page, so we can click on that here and see what they have got to offer for us. For those of you that have watched the previous video, we actually have a bridge page for numerologists, and that is in the Dijs University. If you want to know what it looks like, check out my previous video. If you've seen the previous video and you want this bridge page, then you can sign up to Dijs University, and you'll basically get all of these funnels and bridge pages free of charge. Okay, affiliate ID is Deborah. Go to research page, resource page. Your Clickbank hop ID is either invalid, or we have not approved your hop. Okay, so we need to wait. See, I done all this a few days back. But okay, for the sake of this video, I'll just move on. I'm pretty sure I filled all this in, so no harm done there. Let me see, what else have we got? Sorted. Oh, this is photography again. Let me just quickly search. Gravity, Leptotox has an affiliate page. Have a look at that. Join one of the highest converting, highest EPC health offers on Clickbank. Okay, give me access. Okay, need to fill out my name and email. Give me access. Processing. There we go. So again, email swipes, all we need to do is copy and paste. Banners, if you are running this on Google, all you need to do is save and use. Product author images, so look, you've even got the logo, the products, the owner, keywords. So even if you are running this on Google, it literally gives you the keywords that convert. Facebook headlines that are basically Facebook compliant. What else? Become master Facebook ads, Facebook training, ad spy tool, ad images. Again, so these are images that are compliant with Facebook. You can see they've got the pattern interrupt as well, which is great. Facebook compliant landing pages, written content. They've literally got everything we need to promote this product. Okay, so this is what I mean, guys. You can literally just copy and paste your way to success. With that said, obviously, if everyone starts doing this, the results will go down. So what I highly recommend you guys do is copy and paste, but do give it your own spin once you've started, to get conversions. Okay. So for example, what we could do with these images is we could use these 2 images to get started. And then as soon as you're up and running, you just start to find your own images and start to test, your own images, because you already know what works. And all you can do from there is basically optimize it, try new images, try a different pattern interrupt. So rather than a red circle, try a yellow circle, for example, and so on and so forth. Okay, guys, like I said, do not try and reinvent the wheel. Model success and stand on the shoulders of giants. That's all I've got for today, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video and you hope you got something out of it. Comment down below what you'd like to see from my channel next. Like I said, in the next video I will be doing a watch me build video where I basically set up one of these within Facebook again, and like I said, I will document the journey of how I optimize the ads as well. So all that good stuff will be on the channel sooner rather than later. Subscribe to the channel for more and click on that little bell icon so you get a notification every single time I upload. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.
Allow me to introduce the Dijs University Forum. Whether you are trying to make your first conversion on Clickbank or scale your campaigns to 6 figures, the Dijs University Forum offers you exactly what you need, like high-quality landing page templates, detailed case studies, and exclusive discounts. The forum has no outdated information. All resources inside are from campaigns that are running right now. Do you want to learn from super affiliates? Check the link in the description and sign up today.